In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Booking.com. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you step by step. First, you'll want to open the Booking.com app or visit the Booking.com website. If you're using a mobile device, the app is user-friendly and designed for quick navigation. On the website, the layout is also intuitive. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire process. Once you have the app or site open, you'll be ready to sign into your account. Next, sign into your account using your credentials. You will see a sign-in screen where you need to enter your email and password. Make sure to use the same information you registered with. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. Signing in is vital to access your bookings and payment information securely. Once you sign in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can manage your bookings easily. From there, tap or click on Profile. This option is usually represented by your profile picture or an icon in the app and is located at the bottom of the screen or at the top right on the website. Clicking on this will take you to a new menu where you can view different account settings. This step helps you navigate through your account, allowing you to access bookings and payment settings without hassle. Now open Bookings, you will see a list of your current and past bookings. This section displays all your reservations, making it easy to find the one you need to modify. By accessing your bookings, you are one step closer to updating your payment method. This is important because it allows you to manage the financial aspects of your reservations efficiently. Next, select the booking you want to update. You will see details about each reservation, including dates, location, and payment information. Choose the booking where you want to change the payment method. Selecting the correct booking is crucial because it ensures that you update the right reservation without any confusion. After that, tap Manage Booking. This button is usually prominent and easy to find. It will take you to a page where you can make several changes related to your reservation. By clicking this, you open up options for modifying your booking details. This step is significant because it is where the actual changes to your reservation will take place. At this point, select Payment Details or Edit Credit Card if available. Depending on the booking and the property, you might see one or both options. This allows you to change how you will pay for your booking. Choosing the right option is essential as it directs you to the specific section where you can update your payment information. Now, enter your new payment method. You will need to input your card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Make sure that all details are entered correctly to avoid any issues with your payment. This is a critical step because it ensures that your new payment method is correctly linked to your booking. Finally, tap Save or Update. This action confirms the changes you have made. After saving, you should see a confirmation screen indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. This little step saves you time later by ensuring that everything is correctly processed before your trip. If you can't change the payment method, there are a few reasons why this might happen. The property may process payments directly, meaning they have their own policies. Additionally, your booking may already be fully paid, which would prevent any changes. Lastly, the property's payment policy may not allow changes at all. Understanding these possibilities can help you manage your expectations and find alternative solutions if needed.